This is an instruction video for the flat fold barrier mask pattern released with the UK government document for small scale production of PPE. So that's our template, and it's got exactly where your folds are going to be. It takes 2 sheets of 20 by 20 cotton. I'd advise thin cotton with a tight weave on it, 2 16cm strips of elastic, 6mm wide for comfort, a 10cm strip of bias binding to hold something to mould to the nose, and then all you're going to need once you've got everything cut to size is a pencil, a pair of scissors or snips, and 8 pins. It should be quite simple. The first step is to mark where your folds are going to be on your cotton, and it's literally just hold it up to it and do like a 1cm dash next to where they lie. And now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so now that that's all marked up, what we're going to do is use an overlocker to just literally do a straight run across the top and across the bottom. Okay, so we've got our pleats pinned in place, and now we're actually going to pin in place our elastics, and then they can get sewn in at the same time as the pleats get sewn in. So we're going to use overlocker for this as well, so you have to make sure that your elastic is facing the middle, so it's like a C going inwards, and you're just going to pin it flush down there with that line, and then a flush there as well, and then your other elastic on the other side, so it's a little bit like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like when they are all pinned in place. And now I'm just going to do a straight line down here and a straight line down here with the overlocker. Okay, so that's your 4 edges done on the overlocker. Now it's just 4 lines on the sewing machine and we're done. Okay, so your bias binding strip will go there, and it's 1 line across the top, 1 line across the bottom. Okay, so that's our bias binding fit in place. You don't have to use bias binding, you can just use a rectangle fabric folded over on the seams, but I find that the bias binding is quite a cost-effective shortcut for your sew time. Okay, so our last step will be straight line down along the edge, and I'll go forwards and backwards, and then carry on, just to shore up that tension point where it's holding the elastic to the fabric, and then the same on the bottom, and I'll do the same on the other side also. So this is your final product. We've got it shored up in the corners for that tension point. You've got your pocket here that your pipe cleaner or mouldable metal can just slide in and out of. There's one in there already, and then that just moulds to the nose. It's accessible from the bit facing your face, so you're not touching the outside to get it out to put it in the washing machine. Yeah, and that's the product.